Nighttime POV. I hope y'all enjoyed the last video, the Chrysler video. It's getting exciting. What is that noise? I don't know what that noise is. I'll figure it out. But anyways, yeah, I got nighttime POV for y'all. We're finna go to this little Carmeet. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all, man. Chilling. Bitch ass nigga. Fuck you, whole ass nigga.
Hey, nigga, your bumper be moving.
That whole eBay. That whole from eBay. Hey. I got a new one.
Hey, that's how it works.
I know. I thought you was a fucking crossing guard. We saw you Sunday. Damn, that bitch stupid loud. Oh shit. Y'all got that shit over here. Okay. Who shit this is? Is your shit? This bitch hard. Uh-huh. And then they got the red eye motherfucker right there. TRX behind it. Ooh, okay. Big ass pro charger. That bit loud. Hell. ass. Damn. Block 10 ass. We deep. I was finna make a joke about your ass. I was finna make a joke. Hey, bro.
Hey, the law gonna get it there.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, man, it's take a hand all up in his balls.
He walking that bitch. He walking it out. He's still walking it. He. That hoe. Holy shit. One whip with that bitch. No noise either.
My nigga needs something. PTO?
Oh, he's gonna hit that hoe.
Hey, I definitely gotta hit that hoe. Hey, record.
Here we go.
Hey, my nigga front wheeling that hoe. on the end. Bro, all you doing is slapping your heel, bro.
That hoe crazy loud. It's a Mustang. Nigga went to the wrong place. That was smoking too. Spin this shit or something. Spin this bullshit. Spin that up. Do something. Don't leave me hanging now. Okay. Okay, I'll take that. And that whole sounds good. You gotta look at see. Hope y'all enjoyed that POV. Hope y'all enjoyed that POV. I'm finna go home. It is 10:55. Tired. Thank y'all so much. Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, bro. Follow me on IG and follow my Discord too.